Hi everyone, today I am discussing the topic about differentiation between local variable and global variable. So, the mainly in interview point of view, they may not ask that directly, can you explain about local variable or global variable? They will directly ask that, can you differentiate local variable from global variable in this way? So, that's why I am telling you this. So local variables are declared within the scope of a method. Global variables are declared within the scope of a class. As we know that. Even though, let us see quickly. See, global variables are declared within the scope of a class, and whereas local variables are declared within the scope of a method. Next point. Local variables acts as only within the same method. Global variables can be used in any method. So here, as we know that we have checked also, but anyway I am going to say once again. So if I create one more method, I am taking the same example, guys, as I said in below. You can check that what you mean by local variables or global variables. I already created a video and I kept, so please check once, you may understand clearly. And here I am differentiating it. So as we know that local variables are declared, access only within a method. If I try to access in another method, then it will gives me a compile time error. So create local variable in this way, where we can see that in global variables I already created a method variable static, and I will explain now static, what do you mean by static and non-static in the next video. So public static void get morning class wishes and morning wishes. So I created two methods. Within two methods I am calling same name, str. Okay, this is how it will works. It is accepting fine, but whereas in local variable it throwing us an error. So I will take it off. Okay, next differentiation. If we use it throws compile time error. Now only we have seen that if I use the local variable in another method, it is throwing compile time error. So here we don't have, it can access in any method. So the next point, we must initialize the local variable. It gives the default values as an output. See guys, I have shown you that how the default values are getting in the global variable topics. For the global variable, if I use a string, what will it give? If I use the integer, what will it give in that way? So here now, within the local variable, I would like to take this str. So here, see, it is giving an initializer variable. So here initialization is mandatory, whereas in global variables, even we don't initialize, it gives us the default value. Here I am using string, right? So it gives the null. If I use integer, it gives the 0. If I use the double, it gives the 0. In that way, we already shown you guys what the default values will come. Right, showing local variable. See, the null comma null, it's showing, sorry, null and null. This is the output which we are getting. So global variable directly it gives the default values. Integer, it gives the numeric value. See, 0 comma 0. So this is how it will work. And there is no types for the local variable, but in global variable we have static and non-static. Why we call a static and why we call non-static, what is the use, we will see in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.